This as cases of coronavirus continue to rise in the tri-state. The area's largest school district now has a plan to get students back into class this fall.
And it will be an adjustment for pretty much everyone. Local 12's Brad Underwood joining us now live from the Education Center with what you can imagine is a very mixed reaction. Good evening, Brad.
Well, good evening, Kyle. Yeah, it certainly was going to be that way no matter which plan the board went with. You know, some people are going to be happy and others simply will not be. But it was a very hard decision for the board to make, a decision that, as we keep saying during all of this coronavirus time we're living in, very unprecedented decisions that have never had to have been made by a school board. Here, the president, Carolyn Jones, even saying today there were no obvious plans or choices. You just have to make the best decision with the situation we're given.
We have a 4-3 vote.
In favor of blended learning. It's the only way the Cincinnati Public School District says it can keep all of its 36,000 students 6 feet apart. In the fall, students will alternate between 2 and 3 days a week in school and learning at home.
From the information we received, our parents were kind of split.
The other options voted down: 5 days in school and 4 days in school with 1 at home. To keep everyone safe, the plan is the most affordable, but will still cost the district an additional $23 million. It will also cut more than 700 positions. But that doesn't mean 700 firings. Instead, some of those people will be doing different jobs.
I would be reluctant to give you specifics right now until we have a chance to sit down and talk with the board about those staffing decisions as it relates to contract negotiations.
Every plan had its support and opposition from parents, teachers, and students.
I don't want to be sick because we're trying to get them in the building if it's not safe.
These are exceptional times of uncertainty and chaos. And the risk of reporting back to our buildings even once or twice a week outweighs the reward.
Some kids need school. I'm one of the kids who need school. I need to be in school. I need that teacher experience because if I don't have it, I feel like I'm going to feel miserably.
Online learning doesn't work for most CPS families, including mine. And social interaction is critical for students of all ages.
But perhaps the two big concerns raised by parents with the chosen plan: childcare and internet access. Superintendent Laura Mitchell says the district will soon be passing out devices to every student in grades 2 through 12, plus free internet for thousands of families for a year. As for childcare,
I think that it's important for parents to know that they should start to think about what are some childcare options that they may consider for the upcoming school year.
Now, this blended learning situation may not be best for every family, and that is the district saying, you can opt out and join CPS Digital. That mainly is going to be a place for parents to send their children to learn that way because they don't want them back in any kind of school setting. Still a lot of unanswered questions, though. What are the meal programs going to look like once school starts? What is the busing situation going to look like? And, of course, all of the health-related checks, temperature checks, masks, who knows how that is all going to shake out once school starts for staff and students. But who knows, as one board member said today, all of this could be a moot point if there is another shutdown. Reporting live tonight in Corryville, Brad Underwood, Local 12 News. Kyle.
Brad, a very good point indeed there. Thank you so much.